Your pool guy isn't gonna like this. I haven't picked up my pool net in weeks, and this is why. This thing skims my pool all day, every day. And I've never had to charge it, not even once, because it's powered by the sun. And best of all, I control the whole thing with an app on my phone. This is the Betta Neo smart robot solar-powered pool skimmer. So I was a bit skeptical when I pulled this out of the box. My first thought was, no chance. A little floating robot, no cord, supposed to keep a whole pool clean? Really? I figured it'd do one lap, get stuck in a corner, or run out of power, and I'd be back out there with my net by the weekend. Well, stick around for the time lapse because it really surprised me. Alright, here's what you get. You get the Betta Neo itself, you get a pool noodle, and it's not a gag, and I'll show you why in a minute. You also get a detailed manual, a warranty card, and a Wi-Fi gateway with a power brick, and a charging cable for the Neo itself. The Wi-Fi gateway is what makes this robot really cool. So how does this robot actually clean? Well, there are 3 motors. 2 of them drive it left and right like a tank. These 2 motors are salt and chlorine tolerant, so they won't corrode, even in a saltwater pool. This robot also includes 2 guide wheels up front to roll along your tile line so it hugs the edge where the leaves collect. The 3rd motor, the impeller motor, spins a blade at the mouth of the basket. It turns the whole time, pulling debris in, and here's the clever part, keeping it from washing back out. It's a one-way door. Everything ends up in the basket, which lifts right out by the handle. Leaves, bugs, pollen, even fine stuff, thanks to the mesh filter. And it rinses clean with a hose, so there's no filter replacement. That's a huge bonus, because I hate buying replacement filters. And here's a few more features to be aware of. The top cover is the solar panel, and there is a slit at the top so you can see when the basket's full without opening it. And it includes ultrasonic radar, which keeps it from bumping the walls over and over. And the one thing I hadn't seen on any other skimmers, a shallow water safeguard. So it doesn't beach itself on your pool stairs or wet deck. That was the exact thing I figured would strand it. Let's talk about the setup because it's very simple. First, fully charge the robot with the included power cable. Then, download the Betta Neo app. Next, plug in the gateway, then connect the app, and then connect to the Betta Neo, and drop it in the water. Well, don't drop it in the water, you want to place it in the water. The Wi-Fi gateway is the part people ask about. It's a dual band with about 600 feet of range. So the robot stays connected out at the pool while the Wi-Fi gateway sits inside the house. That means I can run it from anywhere, from work, on vacation, and from the couch after a windy afternoon. And what about the pool noodle? It goes in your skimmer intake so the robot doesn't get sucked in and stuck. Fact that they included a fix for that in the box tells me somebody actually tested this in a real pool. Now there are 3 ways you can run this robot. There's manual, where you drive it from the app to a spot. You can use the schedule. I've got 4 set across the day. 1 before I wake up, a couple midday, and 1 after the evening wind. And then there's smart mode, the one I actually use most of the time. Smart mode will clean your pool based on your location and the weather conditions. You simply set it and forget it. When it comes to battery power, here are the real numbers. You'll get over 30 hours on a single charge. It tops itself back up in about 5 or 6 hours of sunlight while it's still working, or 3.5 hours on the adapter for cloudy days. Mine's been out there on nothing but sunlight. But I do live in Las Vegas, and we get tons of sun. And speaking of sun, the robot's housing has a UV coating so it won't get brittle. So let's talk about the all-important results. How did the robot clean? Well, here's the all-important time lapse. As you can see, leaves, bugs, pollen, and flower petals, anything on the surface, it handles it. And I wake up to a clean pool instead of a chore. And here's what I didn't think about at first. Pulling debris off the top before it sinks means it never breaks down into your deep water or clogs your filter. Cleaner water, fewer chemicals, fewer filter changes, it quietly pays for a chunk of itself. Now let me be straight about what it doesn't do. It's a surface skimmer. It won't clean your walls or your floor, or add chemicals. If you've got debris on the bottom of the pool, you'll still need something for that. Luckily, mine's handled by my in-floor system. So what's the final verdict here? So that skepticism I started with, it's gone. Should you fire your pool guy? Probably not. It doesn't do chemicals or walls or floors. But for daily skimming, I haven't touched a net in weeks. If you've got trees near your pool or you're skimming every day, this is an easy call. If you want one robot to do everything top to bottom, this isn't it. But for me, I can't live without it. Links for the Betta Neo are in the description below. If this made your summer easier, hit like, share, and subscribe. And tell me down below, how often are you out there skimming? If you ask me, never. Thanks for watching.